Welcome back to my channel Edify. In this video, we will learn how to use and, or, and not operators in SQL query. So let's get started. First, let us see how to make use of and operator in the query. The where clause can contain one or many and operators. The and operators is used to filter records based on more than one condition. And the syntax for that is select column 1, column 2 and more from table name where condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3 and more. For example, let's select all customers from the USA that starts with the letter R. Type select asterisk symbol from customers where country is equals to USA and first name like R percentage. Here the percentage symbol represents the start. Now if we compile this displays the customer whose name starts with the letter R. Next we have OR operator. The where clause can contain one or more OR operator. The OR operator is used to filter records based on more than one condition, and the syntax for that is select column 1, column 2 and more from table name where condition 1 or condition 2 or condition 3 and more. For example, let's select all customers from Spain or USA. Select asterisk symbol from customers where country is equals to Spain or country is equals to USA. Now if we compile this prints all the customers from the country USA or Spain. There are no customers from Spain, so only USA customers are displayed. Moving on to the not operator. The not operator is used in combination with other operators to give the opposite result, also known as negative result. And the syntax for that is select column 1, column 2 and more from table name where not condition. For example, let's only select the customers that are not from USA. To do that, let's type select asterisk symbol from customers where not country is equals to USA. Now if we compile this displays all customers from all countries except USA, as you can see. And if you want to select customers that does not start with the letter J, we use not like operator. For example, select asterisk symbol from customers where first name not like J percentage. Now if we compile this displays all customers except with names that start with J. And if you want to select customers with a customer ID not between 3 and 5, then we use not between operator. For example, select asterisk symbol from customers where customer ID not between 3 and 5. Now if we compile this displays the result, the customer data according to the condition mentioned above. Likewise, we have not in, not greater than and not less than operators. The study material link will be provided below. Please go by navigating through the link to get the better understanding of the concept. Lastly, let's see what is the difference between and or operators. The and operator displays a record if all the conditions are true, whereas the or operator displays a record if any of the conditions are true. And also we can combine both and or operator in a single query. So this was all about how to use and, or and not operators in the SQL query. I hope you guys enjoyed this session. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for more such updates. Thank you for watching.